Welcome to the Homology simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the relationship between the number and type of teeth in an organism and the organism's feeding behavior. To begin, select the Teeth Type button to gather information about the structure and function of the four major tooth types. Select each tooth type purple button to view information about that specific type of tooth. Once you review all tooth types, select the Skulls button on the bottom right side of the screen. A human skull now appears on screen. Choose the purple Skull button on the top of the screen and then select the lower jaw option from the drop-down menu. Observe the dental structure of the lower jaw. Pay special attention to the number and type of teeth in the jaw. Select the Front button from the top right menu and use the drop-down to view the lower jaw from 4 different angles. Choose the Upper Jaw button and select the Upper Jaw option. Again, use the drop-down menu to observe the jaw from the 4 different angles: front, left side, right side, and above. After completing your observations of the human skull and both jaws from all angles, select a different organism from the left menu and repeat the jaw examination process. Choose the Teeth Type button in the lower right side of the screen to return to the information screen on the different types of teeth.